combination of disco and soul. Soul to the lowest bidder. Behold the inner city where kids played pity pat. Didn't need your pity or a pat on the back. Cause when life laid them flat on their backs, they created a backspin and win. The radio didn't play what we'd play. We'd say, hey, Mr. DJ. In fact, what he'd say would be so dapper, we had to crown him the microphone master, you know, the rapper. But who can capture this master in a masterpiece? Yeah, you know what that has to be, that's that graffiti art. Man, this culture is so rich. But like Ambassador said in the thesis, any culture without Christ is easily robbed of its wealth. Well, that's what's been happening now for about 30 years. Some of the greatest art forms have been glorifying some of the most vulgar lifestyles. But we're not here to patch up every hole in hip-hop, just like we could never patch up every hole in America. Both cultures are hurting. All cultures are hurting. But God's plan is not to save America, but to save Americans. And God's plan is not to save hip-hop, but to save hip-hoppers. So when you see that diverse group of people in Revelation chapter 7, distinguishable by every nation, and not just by every nation, but distinguishable by every tribe and people group, and not just by every people group, but by every language and tongue. You'll see redeemed men and women from every culture on earth, still distinguishable according to John's vision, still distinct, yet still redeemed, still hip-hop.